This is part 5 of my oil change series of short videos capturing the first oil change at 20 hours on a 2015 900S Polaris RZR. At this point we're going to drain from the catch pan into our graduated plastic container. Now at about 10 hours I added an additional 200 mils of motor oil just to make sure I wasn't low during the break-in period. So let's get an idea of so far what we had drained out, and this for the most part is going to be all the oil except what's caught in the filter. So as of right now, what has been collected is out of the motor oil, or let's say the engine oil pan, is just over 2 liters of oil. So as I mentioned earlier, there could still be some, and obviously there would be still some in the filter itself. So as of now, just over 2 liters collected. Well, normally you would add 2.5 liters of motor oil to a fresh oil change. So that's what the owner's manual would recommend.